What is Xbox Game Pass app? So it's quite popular app and it's quite handful if you have Xbox. So you can get unlimited access to play over 100 great games, including highly anticipated Xbox exclusive for one low monthly price. So play all these games. So just join this app, and then the main idea is that you can just use this app to browse and download games to your Xbox One. So just distantly. So when like you can just browse the app, see the nice game, download it, and then it will appear on your Xbox. And then you just need to set your console to instant on to allow game downloads when you're away. So yeah, receive notifications about new games coming to Xbox Game Pass and start playing the moment your game is available. So that's the idea. So then you can just open it up, and here's how it looks like. And it's like very convenient to see and manage games right from your app. You don't need to be at the console every time, and it's quite convenient just on your fingertips, like Netflix or like YouTube, TikTok, whatever. You're just browsing all the interesting games. Like you can see like, okay, this is nice game, like some details I'm interested. And then you can see how to remote install. There's like help center, or either on your Xbox console, like you can just do that, or on your Windows 10 11 device you can also do that. So yeah, this is how you can do that. Then you can just search, sign up also for the Game Pass if you wanna. That's like 14 days for $1 and then $17 per month. Signing up to Game Pass isn't available from the app. But then, yeah, if you just sign up on the website, you can get over 200 games on Xbox plus Windows. So, yeah, that's basically the idea. And then you just have your account, you can sign in. I guess you just need to log in with your Microsoft account. Otherwise, you can just create your Microsoft account because Xbox is owned by Microsoft. So there you have it.